NIO stock. Today it's at 32.50, 10% drop, and probably we're doing it last time in this channel because I have covered it before, and I was saying that, hey, I'm not a guy who feeds your bias, and I try to stay realistic every time because I'm not in the business of like making millions from YouTube and clickbaiting people. I'm in the business of trading, and one good trade in about one day can make 1 year's of someone YouTube guy's salary, basically earnings. So all right, I do it for myself, technicals, just to keep myself in the game. Last time I covered this stock, back November 18th, 50% of people didn't like this video. 50% disliked, to be exact, when I said back to 20s soon. So, and I do still think that this stock can go plunge more, and today it's just a waterfall, and all signs were out there. So the last stop right here was support $33, and now from here I'm watching $30 support. And if I switch to a weekly chart, you can see it has been making lower highs. It was downtrending, and when I made a video it was about $42, somewhere right there. And now well, everybody's panicking, and when stocks go down, well, I think people one by one, of course not everybody's gonna realize that their position can go down. Even if you're a believer, I'm not like someone who says, hey, sell your position, get out here, short it. Well, if you have long-term position, one thing you can do is learn how to hedge it short-term. If you have a belief that 10 years from now this stock can be worth $100, and short-term looking at the chart, well, you can say, hey, I think there's gonna be some headwinds, and out there volatility can knock this thing back to more of a realistic prices. So let me protect it. Let me buy some insurance. So you could do that. You don't have to sell a position. You can do covered calls. You need to learn how to trade with options. So that's the support. Last support I'm watching slipped below all of its moving average. All right, I'm not gonna go too much in depth into this one. So if you look at the moving averages, well, 200-day downtrending, stock is below its 50-day moving average, which is yellow line right here. Purple line is a 100-day moving average, and so right here, right now, you can go back to breakout levels where it has a gap somewhere here at 22. From basically from 22 it popped. It's just a matter of time for me. So basically I'm gonna put a support somewhere right there for the stock. It has a little bit of a gap up there, and that's what I will be watching. And of course it's not gonna straight come down, right? It's just a matter of time. Just like with when I compared it back a couple days ago with Zoom chart, saying that, hey, if it slips these like just like Zoom slipped $300, it can come back down to 20. And look at the Zoom, same thing. So if you just consider Zoom to be 10 times less of a stock like NIO, you can say, hey, $30 slippage, look where it is trading today, 178. And I don't buy all those China headlines and China news thing, because technicals were screaming well before everything happened. All right, so if you believe a little bit in technicals, well, you could at least have protected what you had. You could at least have bought some insurance to protect your position. So those are the support levels, and this is for people who have asked me recently to cover this name, even though I didn't want to make this video. That's that. If you look at the MACD, well, it just started going more sharply to the downside. The bearish signal was somewhere here, November 12th, And after that, it gave you a little bit of opportunity when it bounced from this support of a 38 all the way till 42. That was the opportunity to maybe buy some insurance or sell some covered calls, and to do all those kind of strategies. So today it's early, it's Friday, but if you look at the option activity, well, there's nothing to say about option activity. One thing I can say is that, well, now it's a bit maybe expensive to buy those kind of insurances, because stock by December 31st is implying 100% implied volatility, implying $7.50 move, which means it can go up 750, it can go down 750. So by New Year's, it can definitely be at $25, or it can definitely go back to 37 and chop around there. But I'm more of a contrary stance on this one. Yes, I'm biased, but I don't have a position. Traded it many times, and I even maybe I have been watching this stock longer than 99% of you guys, because I remember this stock back when they went public, when this stock went to $8, and from pretty much $6 to $8, I remember even trading the stock when they went IPO. So that's how I long know this stock, and I have watched this stock, traded this stock even right here at when it was penny stock basically. So that's the video, last one. Thanks for watching. If you are a NIO guy, sorry guys, that I think I'm not into that crowd who who messages all kinds of crappy stuff to me. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the other videos, more of a blue chip. I will stick to S&P 500 stocks. So take care. Peace.